Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a BedRug VanTred floor mat in our Ford Transit van. Let's get started. All right, this is going to be a super simple and straightforward installation. All you really need to do is grab it out of the box, unroll it, and you're done. So the hardest part is going to be getting it out of the box. It's rolled in there pretty tightly, so we're going to grab ours now. All right, I got mine partially unrolled as I was getting it out of the box. Really all you have to do is find the correct end for the wheel wells, pull that back. Just about does it for this installation. I told you it was super simple. It's just a one-piece precision cut floor that goes around all the wheel well, the little C-pillar right there, and door and all of that. Super simple to install. This is going to be specific to your wheelbase. So this happens to be for a Ford Transit 148-inch regular wheelbase. There is a longer version. It's the 148 extended wheelbase that gives you a little bit more overhang over that rear axle. And then there's also going to be the smaller wheelbase, that 130. So make sure that you know which van you have and you order the right mat for your van. A couple things I want to point out here is this does have the ribbing on it that matches the ribbing on the floor, so it does give you that nice even kind of feel. Now there is like a layer of, I don't know, 3/4 to 1 inch of foam below kind of the hard plastic surface, so it does compress a little bit. Like as you stand on it or as I'm on my knees, I can feel it kind of dimpling in, and you can see that a little bit in the video, but it does have that. Overall, it's pretty level. This is a great value floor if you're looking for one. A lot of other options as well, like a rigid floor and things like that. But if you're looking for your basic work van floor, this definitely is the way to go. Now, if you're looking for this VanTred floor or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.